The sports psychologist Dr. Olivia Rose believes qualifying could lift the morale of the nation, given what it's experiencing following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, as there's no denying the positive impact of sports, especially football.
Should the reggae boys qualify for the World Cup during this time of almost absolute doom and gloom, that would definitely lift the spirit of the Jamaican people. And it's something that we could find to celebrate amidst our distress and devastation. So absolutely, it would be a great feeling, a feeling of inspiration, and just something to look forward to with hope and perseverance.
Dr. Rose also gave an example of persons using sports as a unifying and a distracting tool in providing an escape in terms of dealing with harsh realities.
On my way to Westmoreland on Saturday, we reached Holland Bamboo. We were stuck in traffic until the debris was cleared, and we were listening to the match between Manchester United and Nottingham Forest, and persons just came out of their cars. You could see that the cars had supplies in them to be delivered, and we were just having conversations.
And for persons directly affected, they too may use the sports to cope.
We know that there are some persons who are marooned and can't get to any form of food supply, basic necessities, but having sports over time slowly re-emerge into daily life will help.
Meanwhile, Dr. Rose says the survivor's guilt is natural. However, one must be mindful it doesn't become debilitating, but instead channel it into compassion and sympathy.
It simply means that you have empathy and you are human, but to the extent of which you are going to allow it to debilitate your functioning or making you feel that you cannot help, that's where it becomes a little bit problematic.
In what way?
When you're feeling guilty, it does not allow you to act in meaningful ways. So we all don't cope in the same way. We cope through different means. There is the problem focus, and there's debris. I'm gonna get it out of the way. I need to organize some supplies that we're dealing with the problem. Then there's the emotional focus approach, where we talk about it. We have conversations, we pray, we try not to feel certain ways about things, because feeling away is a Jamaican emotion. You know what that means.
Additionally, Dr. Rose says,
and then there's a meaning-focused way. How can I be of help? And I think when we reach that stage, that's where a lot of persons can now rechannel that guilt into acts of service and honoring a greater calling.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.